The government insists that this policy is corrective and revenue driven. Yet, the true effect is to protect private profits at the expense of public welfare. The government's role is to ensure fairness and transparency, not to pick winners and losers. Nigerians are already enduring fuel subsidy, adding a 15% tariff at this time will only deepen the hardship and risk public unrest. It also contradicts the very spirit of deregulation, which was supposed to dismantle cartels, not create new ones under different names.
In that we want accountability. We want, for instance, to have a database and a registry where you would have all of this information, but also a database and a registry that is accessible to everybody, including you as the media, that you can actually go and check and verify facts. So we want to be able to know what are the outputs, refinery outputs. There should be a data that tells us on a daily basis, this is the output for the refineries, and then broken down into PLS, AGO, and the rest of that. Again, also what is available for the Nigerian market and what is being exported. Because, I mean, the refineries we are talking about also export. They are not just producing for us. And then also data on imported fuel. So if we have all of this daily, and then we can then compute daily consumption and the rest of that, so that every one of us can then know what distance we need to travel in terms of getting things back.
The only idea the government told us is to liberalize the economy for informed competition. Today, our government has not paid attention to even modular refineries that we have it in South Africa. Let there be surplus supply of petroleum products in such a way that even the foreign importers will fade away. It will fade away. And why am I saying that? If you create competition, as at home, like we have already said, 40% consumption is only meant by one individual, which is fantastic. What about the 60%? What will happen in the future, because there will be no competition, is that in an attempt to meet 100% supply, the prices will go up.